Hi everybody. So this week we're going to do something a little bit different. This is a spatial analysis challenge, and it's an opportunity for you to celebrate how many sweet GIS skills you've accrued so far this semester. It is a bit like a midterm, so in lab we're not going to be there to answer questions for you. We want you to struggle and be creative and figure out how to do these things on your own. If you look on the Canvas page, there are a ton of hints. Let me expand this down a little bit. So I would recommend not skimming this. These hints right here are going to be really helpful. We're defining most of the tools that you're going to be using, so that should give you kind of a good kickstart. So what you're working with this week is a fun data set. They're alien sightings in America, going back to around the turn of the century, although the data set that we pulled, I think, starts in maybe the 1940s. It is a sweet little data set that's got information on the type of unidentified flying object that it was, whether it was a light or a disc or a diamond or a circle, the month, day, and date, I should say, and year of the sighting, the duration. There's a ton of information in here. Shiny orange objects seen in sunset. I mean, this is awesome stuff. So yeah, have fun checking that out. It is going to be a spreadsheet again, so you're going to have to display the XY data like you did with the Northern Shoveler data. And then you'll be asked a series of questions. So that's it. Focusing it on the data, a couple tricks. Remember, you can right click and zoom to layer to focus, but we've got a couple of errant points here that probably have the wrong coordinate values assigned to them. Another trick is to use the shift key. Shift and control click a rectangle like this. It'll force that rectangle to zoom onto the page. And then you can use the pan tool to adjust. So those are just a couple little tricks. So again, read the hints in the instructions, and then there will be a set of 5 questions. Each one is worth 10 points, so be really careful. Think through these things because they're all or nothing. Make sure you're reading the questions carefully for units. Double check yourself. If you can think of one way to solve the problem, like if you're asked how many things are happening inside this area, you might do a select by location. But couldn't you also do a clip and actually cut the alien data and get a count that way? So there's usually 2, 3, 4 different ways to answer any one of these questions, and you might want to double check your work before submitting. So have fun with it. It's not meant to torture you, although it probably will feel like torture. But do try and have fun with it. You've learned a lot so far, and this is a good way to kind of dig in and do it on your own and be creative. All right, if you have questions, shoot any of us an email, and good luck.